front of me is REALME 9i, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, select one of your apps like REALME and click on this button with 3 lines. Now you need to click on those 2 dots at the top right corner and select, so REALME click, floating window. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. You can always move it around by holding this line, and use it to overlay other apps by tapping on the other one and operating in both of them. If you wish to make it small, you need to click on home button twice. You can make it big again by tapping on it. If you wish to close it, you can click on this icon at the top right corner or just close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!